If you're over 60 and looking for a car that's easy to drive, safe to get in and out of, and won't leave your wallet in tears, you're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the best used cars for seniors under $15,000. These aren't flashy sports cars or high-tech nightmares. They're simple, comfortable, and built to last. 2014 Toyota Camry LE. You can't make a list like this without the Toyota Camry. And the 2014 LE trim is a sweet spot for reliability, comfort, and price. Right now, you can find clean, well-maintained 2014 Camrys for under $13,000, with low miles and excellent condition. It's one of the most dependable sedans ever built, and it drives exactly how you want a car to drive in retirement: smooth, quiet, and predictable. The driver's seat sits at a perfect height, not too low, not too high, which means it's easy to slide in and out without hurting your back or knees. The doors are light, the visibility is excellent, and the controls are simple. No complicated touchscreens or tech overload here. Under the hood, it has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that's known to last well over 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. You'll also get over 30 miles per gallon, which helps stretch every dollar during those fixed-income years. The 2014 Camry LE is also one of the quietest mid-size sedans of its time, with great sound insulation and a smooth suspension that soaks up bumps on older roads. And best of all, it's a Toyota. So parts are cheap, repairs are rare, and mechanics love working on it. For seniors looking for comfort, reliability, and zero surprises, this Camry hits every mark. 2013 Honda CRVX. SUVs can sometimes feel too big or clunky for seniors, but not the 2013 Honda CRVX. This compact SUV feels just right. It sits a little higher than a sedan, which means getting in and out is easier on your knees and back. But it's not so tall that it feels like climbing a truck. It's the sweet spot. The doors open wide, the seats are comfortable, and the visibility is excellent. You sit up high and can see the road clearly from every angle. That makes parking and lane changes a lot less stressful, especially for drivers who don't enjoy surprises. Under the hood, it's powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine that's known for long-term reliability. The automatic transmission is smooth and dependable, and many owners report their CRVs reaching 250,000 to 300,000 miles, with nothing more than routine maintenance. It's also fuel efficient, getting around 28 miles per gallon combined, which is fantastic for an SUV. The rear seats fold down easily, and the cargo space is huge, perfect for groceries, walkers, luggage, or even your grandkids' sports gear. One more bonus. The 2013 EX trim came before Honda added too much complicated tech. The climate controls are simple, the radio uses real buttons, and there's no overwhelming touchscreen system to learn. Everything is where it should be. If you're a senior looking for an easy-to-drive, no-hassle SUV that will treat you right for years to come, the 2013 Honda CRVX is a top-tier choice. 2015 Hyundai Sonata SE. If you're looking for a car that feels newer without breaking the bank, the 2015 Hyundai Sonata SE is a fantastic option. And yes, you can still find clean examples under $12,000 today. This mid-size sedan was completely redesigned for the 2015 model year, and it shows. The ride is quiet, the cabin feels modern and spacious, and most importantly, it's very comfortable for senior drivers. The front doors open wide, the seats are generously cushioned, and there's plenty of leg and headroom, even for taller folks. The controls are simple and well-labeled, with physical buttons for climate, audio, and even Bluetooth phone calls, all placed within easy reach, so you don't have to dig through menus just to change the temperature or adjust the radio. Under the hood, it comes with a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, which isn't trying to win any races, and that's a good thing. It's smooth, quiet, and built for easy, dependable driving. It also averages around 28 to 30 miles per gallon, so it's friendly on gas and doesn't demand much at the pump. Another big plus? The 2015 Sonata has a very soft suspension, which means it handles rough roads better than many other sedans in this price range. It absorbs bumps and cracks without transferring the shock to your back or hips, something that seniors really appreciate during longer drives. And for peace of mind, Hyundai offered one of the best warranties in the business, which means many 2015 models have been well maintained and treated gently by their previous owners. Overall, the 2015 Sonata SE offers modern comfort, clean looks, great safety features, and smooth driving, all without the luxury price tag. It's a hidden gem for senior drivers. 2012 Toyota RAV4 Base. Next up is a favorite among practical drivers, the 2012 Toyota RAV4. It's a compact SUV that offers the best of both worlds. Easy entry like a car, but higher seating like an SUV. You'll find a reliable 2.5-liter engine under the hood, or if you choose the V6 model, a surprisingly peppy 3.5-liter that still sips gas modestly. Both engines are known for lasting well past 250,000 miles. What makes the 2012 model especially great for seniors is its simple, clean layout. The knobs, buttons, and gear shifter are all intuitive. No learning curve, no frustration. And being a Toyota, parts are cheap, mechanics love it, and you'll rarely have to think about it once it's in your driveway. 2016 Kia Soul Base or Plus Plus. Don't let the quirky shape fool you. The 2016 Kia Soul is one of the most senior-friendly cars out there. Its boxy design means tall doors, easy access, and tons of headroom, even if you're wearing a hat. Inside, the cabin is spacious and uncluttered. Visibility is excellent, and the ride is surprisingly refined for such a small car. It comes with a reliable 1.6-liter or 2.0-liter engine, depending on trim, and gets about 30 miles per gallon combined. The suspension is soft enough for bumpy roads, and the steering is light and easy for arthritic hands. And the best part? Most models are well under $10,000, making it one of the most affordable cars on this list without sacrificing comfort or style. 2013 Subaru Outback 2.5i Premium. If you live somewhere with snow, hills, or rough roads, you'll want to check out the 2013 Subaru Outback. This is a rugged, go-anywhere wagon with standard all-wheel drive and a smooth, stable ride. The Outback sits slightly higher than a sedan, but lower than a full SUV. Again, perfect for seniors who want easier entry without climbing up. The seats are supportive, and the cabin feels solid and quiet. Under the hood, the 2.5-liter flat-4 engine has proven to be dependable, especially when cared for properly. Subarus are known for safety, and this generation Outback has top crash test scores, making it a smart choice for older drivers who want peace of mind behind the wheel. 2011 Lexus ES 350. If you want something a little more luxurious without the high repair bills, the 2011 Lexus ES 350 is a hidden gem. It shares a platform with the Toyota Camry, but comes with a much quieter ride, more upscale materials, and a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine. This Lexus is built for comfort. The seats are plush, the cabin is whisper quiet, and the ride feels like you're gliding. It's also loaded with senior-friendly features like keyless entry, memory seats, and soft touch controls. And despite being a luxury car, the ES 350 is known to be extremely reliable, often surpassing 250,000 miles with ease. If you want to treat yourself or just avoid backaches and rattles, this car delivers a premium experience under $15,000. 2015 Honda Fit EX. Now, this one might look small, but don't judge a book by its cover. The 2015 Honda Fit has a magical interior. The rear seats fold flat like a transformer, giving you more cargo space than some small SUVs. It's easy to drive, incredibly fuel efficient at 33 to 36 miles per gallon, and small enough to fit into any parking space, which is great for seniors who dislike tight spots or parallel parking. The seating position is also higher than most small hatchbacks, making it surprisingly easy to get in and out. The EX trim adds a backup camera, Bluetooth, and simple controls. No confusing tech here. Affordable, dependable, and clever. The Honda Fit is one of the best senior-friendly compacts out there. 2013 Ford Fusion SE. If you're looking for a roomy American sedan with solid comfort and style, the 2013 Ford Fusion SE is a great pick. It's larger than the Camry or Sonata, which gives you tons of legroom and trunk space. It comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, or you can find the 1.6-liter EcoBoost for a bit more power and fuel economy. Either way, it offers a smooth, quiet ride, and it's extremely stable on the highway. The Fusion is also one of the best handling sedans of its time, which means less body roll, better control, and a confident feel behind the wheel, even for drivers who haven't driven in a while. And because Ford made so many of these, they're easy to find, cheap to maintain, and often priced well below $10,000. 2014 Chevrolet Malibu LT. Last on our list is the 2014 Chevy Malibu LT, a midsize American sedan with a soft ride, spacious cabin, and a strong reputation for reliability. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, offering decent fuel economy at around 29 miles per gallon, and a ride quality that's smoother than expected for its price. The front seats are wide, flat, and cushioned, ideal for seniors who prioritize comfort. And the trunk is massive, great for walkers, shopping trips, or luggage. This generation of Malibu was also one of Chevy's most refined, with better insulation, a more comfortable suspension, and user-friendly controls. Best of all, it's affordable, easy to find, and built to go the distance.